Hi there, this is Ryan again from Keller Williams Edge. Today I'm at 31 Parkview Drive here in St. Catharines. I'll be doing an open house both Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. August 14th and 15th. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached home. It's got a beautiful backyard as well. Hopefully you can come down and see me, but if you can't, let's go inside and take a look. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 31 Parkview Road in St. Catharines. If you want to book your own private tour, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.